Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you direct with pixel tracking. Here is how direct with pixel tracking works. You can take any URL like this article from Financial Samurai and create a short link. And when you send people to that short link, you can embed a Facebook pixel in between so that you can retarget them. The only thing missing in this is the banner overlays. Alright, so let me just show you a demo of the link. Here is a direct with pixel tracking link. Let me copy that, paste it here. Now if you check my top right, while we show this CDN screen, we trigger your pixel. That's how it works. So let's jump onto my dashboard and set it up. The first thing you have to do is click on Add New. Let's give a name to the campaign. Direct with Pixel Tracking Example 2. Target URL is the URL where you should send people to. In our case, it's the article from Financial Samurai. Transition type, here is where you have to select Direct with Pixel Tracking, because that is what we are covering in this video. When you select Direct with Pixel Tracking, Pixaly is going to ask you for your Facebook Pixel ID. You have to copy your Facebook Pixel ID from your Facebook Business Manager and paste that ID in here. We have detailed tutorial on our help pages showing how to get the Facebook Pixel ID. Next step is giving the URL a title. I'm going to use the same title as the article because it's the title which is going to be shown in Facebook, Twitter, or any social media sites you share it. So I'm going to use the same title. You are free to use any title you want. So there it is. As a description, I'm going to go ahead and use the first paragraph of this article. Again, this is completely customizable. You can use any description you want. Next step is selecting an image. You have to paste an image URL in here. It can be anywhere from the web. In my case, I'm going to use the same image that is used in Financial Samurai. So I will right click and copy image address, come back and paste it under image. Next step is selecting the type. Here you have to select article if you are sending people to an article. Select website if you're sending to website. Then you click on submit and that's it. Your direct with pixel tracking short link has been created. To copy the link, click on this copy link icon. Let's go ahead and test it. If I open a new tab and put the URL, you would see my pixel firing and redirecting to my destination. That is how to pay little to no taxes for the rest of your life by the Financial Samurai. With this method, you are able to create a retargeting audience, and later down the line, you are also able to create a huge lookalike audience in Facebook, which you can create. The only thing missing in this method is the ability to add overlays when you want. And that will be covered in our next video. This is Abby from Hackathon, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you.